Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKAO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a long time, especially this afternoon. The volume kicked in that much more. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $1.65. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.65, I'm not saying that that implies the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, and so far so good, on 2 separate occasions, you can see the price has done a good job of holding up above it. So if that continues, that would certainly be, the best case going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, so this certainly assumes you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.65, that would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, initial level and more so the shorter run right there at about $1.90. After $1.90, next key level up around, give or take, the $2.10 mark. So keep an eye on those couple of hurdles going forward. Anyway, slice it though, yeah, there was a bit of a pullback, but given just how much the price did move today, it would make sense why the price pulled back. And as long as the price can start to chip away and build higher lows over time, then everything else will continue to trend upward. So focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on building higher bases, and then you can just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.